In this video, I will be demonstrating two different submaximal cardiorespiratory fitness tests using a 1 mile jogging test and a Rockport walking test. The equipment needed for the assessments are proper running attire, a 400-meter long track, a heart rate monitor which is optional, pencil and paper, a stopwatch, and a scale. The first assessment that I will be performing is the submaximal 1 mile jogging test. This test is appropriate for 18 to 29-year-old men and women. The time for the 1 mile should be at least 8 minutes for men and 9 minutes for women. This is a submaximal assessment, and a comfortable jogging pace should be kept without stopping. It is important to remember that this is not a maximal test, and heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute, and the goal is not to run the mile as quickly as possible. The time required to jog 1 mile was recorded in minutes, and upon finishing the mile, I recorded my post-exercise heart rate using the palpation technique on the carotid site. The radial site is also appropriate. To calculate heart rate, count the number of beats in 15 seconds and multiply by 4. For the walking assessment, the Rockport walking test must be done on a level surface, preferably a track. The distance or laps that equal 1 mile must also be determined. This test is appropriate for 20 to 69-year-old men and women, and it is important to remember to walk 1 mile as quickly as possible without running or jogging. Immediately after the 1 mile had been completed, I recorded the time in minutes and began to measure my post-exercise heart rate using the palpation method on the carotid site. Again, to calculate heart rate, take the number of beats in 15 seconds and multiply that by 4. Shown below are the formulas I use to calculate my VO2 max for these assessments. Notice for the jogging test, the body weight must be converted into kilograms and the time into minutes. This is the formula I used in the walking assessment. Notice that in this formula, the body weight is in pounds and the time is also in minutes. Thank you for watching.